Hope you guys are doing awesome. Today I'm going to Epcot because it is my day off, and so I thought it'd be cool to film a get ready with me, kind of like what I do, how I do my makeup, my hair, and my outfit. Just kind of like a typical get ready with me before I go to a Disney park. And so I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you like this video and want to see more of these, because I loved making it, so I for sure will do more, please let me know in the comment section below and give the video a thumbs up. For watching this video. I really enjoyed making it. So again, if you like this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. I'm just having so much fun making videos. I'm so glad I am vlogging and YouTubing my program, and I am just so thankful for all of you guys who are watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye!